Hey everyone, it's Matt from Explore the World with Matt. Gonna do something a little different today, but basically, as I travel the world, I enjoy coffee everywhere, including at home. Just to give you a little idea, I actually have my own little coffee shop here with a variety of different methods to make coffee. But I bought a new coffee maker, the Ninja model PB051. It's basically a single cup brewer, but it can be anywhere from 4 to 24 ounces per cup. And since I like using a big insulated mug, I was really impressed with this when I ordered it, and I'm impressed enough with it to share my experience from unboxing it to using it the first time. Hope you like it as much as I think I'm going to like it. Go and get it. I guess I'm still going to need a knife because it's in another box. There we go. So now you get a little better picture of what it looks like. It makes regular coffee using grounds. You can use K-cups. It makes iced coffee. It makes specialty coffee. And it also has a cleaning cycle. So it's like it just does everything in a simple single machine, and it's going to supplement all my other methods of making coffee. So we got an instruction manual, we got the base that is adjustable to deal with the different size cups that it makes. It's packed really well so far. All the pieces come apart, so I'm taking it out a little differently. There we go. So now it's out of the box, still wrapped in a lot of plastic. Water reservoir. All the surfaces are well protected. This is the K-cup holder, so you can put your K-cups right in there. It's easy to clean. It also has this little storage compartment over here that's taped shut. That's where the coffee ground insert is. So instead of the K-cup, I can use ground coffee, which is actually what I prefer. And it goes, instead of having the K-cup in the insert, put the ground insert, and it goes on the top. And then you can store the K-cup in the side compartment. There's also a coffee scoop, which that itself doesn't sound that exciting, but if you look carefully on here, it's got the different sizes, so you know how many scoops you need based on how many ounces of water that you put in there. So it just simplifies that process. Finish taking packing material off. And it's just telling me how to clean the top and the bottom, which got a little box in here. Probably need to read the directions to see what it is, but I'm going to open it up and see if I can figure it out just by looking at it. I bet that's to replace yeah, I guess I'm going to have to read the instructions as to what that piece is for. It's for declogging. So don't need that right now. It's brand new. I don't think it's going to be clogged. I also saw when I purchased it The front pulls off, so it's easy to clean if there's anything that gets in there. So, plug it into power outlet. A little holder here can go at the bottom for travel mug. It can go all the way up for just a regular mug, and you got settings in between. Not having seen this before, I mean, it's just like the videos that I saw online. If you look on top, I'm going to tilt this a little bit, and you can see where it recognizes that I've got the ground coffee bin in it. If I had the K-cup bin it would show there. You pick your coffee cup size. It only goes up to 12 ounces if you got a K-cup. And then you got regular brew, rich, which slows it down, over ice, which cuts the amount of water, so that way it knows that you got ice in your cup. And the specialty is not exactly like espresso, but it gives you a darker roast in a 4 ounce. Off to the side here is a frother, so you could actually froth some milk and then add the specialty coffee to it and create something that's sort of like an espresso. I'm going to pause the camera right now while I go wash the water bin and get a coffee mug. Well, I'm back. I've filled the water reservoir and I brought a coffee mug. So I filled it to the max line and drop it onto the back. Coffee mug's too big at that level. That's probably, I guess, more for an espresso size. There we go. Now it holds my mug appropriately. Now I'm going to open the top, open the coffee reservoir, and I'm going to grind the coffee for 12 ounces. Close the top. Power comes on. I'm going to say make it rich. I'm going to say make 12 ounces. And I'm going to say brew.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
So far it's been really quiet. If I were to guess, it's probably heating up right now. There it goes. And we have coffee coming out. It's got a little progress bar here to show you how far along it is. So it's on the second of 5 bars. And from what I saw online before I bought it, it does pause from time to time as it's heating the water. Also, being my first time, I don't know if it normally keeps a small amount of water in there that wasn't there when I first plugged it in. Since it's going more continuously now, I'm guessing that might actually be the case with, since there was no water in it, it had to get itself primed, I guess would be a good way to put it. Now we're 3 bars out of 5 in. And I can hear it needing more water. And now it's continuing. And it's blinking on the 5th bar at this point, so I suspect, since the cup's about full, that we're about done. See how it actually notifies you that it's done. I don't know if it beeps or... Yep, it beeps. Now my coffee's done. We'll give it a taste and see what we got. I think we got a good cup of coffee, and it's really hot, which I really like. So I'll try the other coffees, but since this is typically what I drink, I think I'm really happy, and it's really easy to use. And as you can see, it was really easy to set up because I've never looked at the manual. All I did was see some reviews online. So this is my review, and since I travel the world and drink lots of coffee, I thought I'd share my new coffee experience with you.
This was a mug I made for work with 24 ounces, all in one shot, and it came out really good, and it was really hot. I also made what I call a latticino, just because it had a lot of milk in it. Maybe not a complete amount, but it was really good too.